it's not so important, so we just enable them. What is a codec? If you have your natural speech, it's analog, your speech is still analog, and you have to convert it to IP.
Okay.
And the codec is the method you convert it from the natural speech to the IP.
And if, say, for example, I had a high-definition audio handset, like in the E-Link reviews we did last time, what codec would I need here?
A G722.
Okay.
It's a high-definition codec. There are some other high-definition codecs. We can make another tutorial about codecs, where you can play around with them.
Cool.
But for starting, that's okay. The next thing we need is a secret. We need to register to the Asterisk server, and therefore we have to provide a secret. Our secret is very secret. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the baddest idea.
Yeah.
Just plain text password. Asterisk is able to make many sorts of passwords, MD5 hashed passwords, start TLS, blah, and so on. We won't use it for our testing. We will make another tutorial about Asterisk security.
So this is basically the simplest form of authentication.
So we just put it in there. And the next thing is we need the parameter host. And we put in